Morning, I'd like to introduce to you a platform where you can make money by completing a simple auditing task by going to places such as taverns, restaurants, um, bulk breakers, liquor stores, and so forth. So basically, this is how the platform looks like, and the name of the platform is called InfoJam. And also, if you're interested, or if you're like, okay, I don't know which platform to go for, there is going to be a link in the comment section, or you can go to the link tree in my profile and click on the link tree, click on missions, and click on mission 2, so you should be able to find it there. As you can see, for my region, after I did the training, these are the jobs that were available. And when a friend of mine was traveling to a different region, these were the jobs that are available. So we have the total value of jobs, so you can complete all these jobs by yourself if it's possible.